It's Art Night Thursday tonight for the month of May, and we are heading off to town right now. Namitas will be in the car, and we are heading off. Everyone else is going to be meeting us there. We're very late today. We were supposed to be there at 4:30. It is now 4:30 because our cab didn't turn up on time. The guy just drove off, and then we had to book another one. And unfortunately, my new house is very confusing to get to. So he finally made it, and we are now almost on the ceiling. And yeah, I will see you guys at Jahangir when everybody else is there. In Jahangir, we saw a lot of art there. I forgot to vlog completely, but I will be showing you guys as much as I can throughout. I don't know if we'll be allowed to vlog anything inside Gallery Beyond, but on the way out and to Tark, I will tell you guys what the show is like. If we can't show you anything, if we can, yay. Everyone's here right now. Shiv is here. You guys remember him. Prathamesh is here. Divya and Anay. And yeah, so we are on our way. I've sort of forgotten my way to this place. Okay, yeah, now I remember. Very confused today. I don't know why. I've forgotten to vlog pretty much everything. So sorry about that, guys. We'll do better in the next couple of hours at least, I think. We were in Gallery Beyond where there was a retrospective for Rajan Krishnan, who passed away earlier this year. A fantastic artist. I couldn't show you the work inside because it's not allowed, but I will try and put some links in the description for you guys to check out his work online. In the meanwhile, we are all hot and sweaty and we're on our way to Tark right now, where there is a wonderful show on the tribute, not the tribute, but it's the sort of, I forget the word that I'm looking for. It's like a little look at the legacy of photojournalism through the eyes of one photojournalist, and how he basically paved the way for several other photographers from around the world to come in and shoot in India or in the Indian subcontinent by providing passage for their materials, for cameras, film, setting up shoots for them and assistants and everything. So yeah, we're going to check that out. If we get to shoot in there, I will show you guys a few of the pictures, and if I can get Henna to talk to you guys if she's here, well, great. Otherwise, I'm going to be speaking to Henna in another video very soon, which will be a proper interview, so look out for that Zayu Asks video. And yeah, I will see you guys at first. So guys, we're done with Tark. As you saw in the last clip, just a little glimpse of the photographs that were in there. I couldn't show you much, but I did as best I could. It's going to be a little bit dark as we walk through this little space, so you're going to have to forgive not being able to see my face from time to time. We are on our way to Lakire now, where there's another new show that we haven't seen yet, so we're going to check that out. We're still in Colaba at the moment. It's still very hot, but not as bad as it was. We now have water, so like smiles are back on faces, and I don't know how bad that angle was, but I can't really see. So yeah, we're walking there right now. We're going to check that out, and then I think we're going to call it a day because it's really hot and we don't want anyone overexerting themselves. So if we have the time, we will go on, and for now we're going to try and cross the road without getting crushed by cars. If you're a vlogger, never do what I just did. It's horrible. And I'm lucky that I have people pulling my shirt and dragging me to safety. But yeah, I will see you guys at Lakire.
It's to do with modernity and how these characters come on.
It's now not Thursday, it's Friday, and I didn't end the vlog yesterday because we were really tired, and I was having a really nice chat with everyone after we got done with the galleries and everything, and the ride home was pretty nice, pretty fun. Had a nice, lovely little chat about curating and things like that with Namita. I am now at home in my new room, and that's my new view of the airport. It's very noisy, so now while there's no planes taking off, I'm taking a chance to end this vlog. I've been busy all day today working on these. I'm basically working with somebody called Ankur Fumakia from Indore, and he is a designer and has his own company that's launching soon. And I'm working on a set of pocket squares and elbow patches and things like that, which I'm hand painting. and I will be sending them back to him, and he turns these into shirts, or at least parts of shirts. So these are going to be mine. This is for a client's collar on a fancy outfit of his, and yeah, the grey ones that you saw earlier, that a minute ago, these are basically going to be pockets as well, and I have one more piece to do of my set, and then I will do an entire set for Ankur himself and send those off. I also have 1,000 of these to make. Yeah, I have 1,000 cranes to make. Now I only have like 2 days to do this, so I really need to get a move on. But I still have to upload all of these clips and edit this vlog for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Art night was fun, and the next art night is going to have a show at Chatterjee and Lal as well, so we're going to catch up there. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you liked everything you saw, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.